Alright guys, now, first of all, my name is Martin and I'm your host for today. Okay, alright guys, now, let's start with a little before about Hornbill Park, alright? Now, Hornbill Park was opened on 15 February 1991, and we are about 21 acres and housing more than 3,000 birds from foreign and local. Well, it was a lot of fun, right? Okay, alright guys, now, let me introduce my little friend here. Coco, our yellow-nailed Amazon parrot. Okay, now Coco, can you say something to everyone? Okay, Coco, come on, boy. Hello? Yeah, okay, alright. Now Coco, Coco, I know some pretty ladies here, Coco. Alright, now Coco, can you say something to the ladies, Coco? Alright. Not bad. Coco, say hi to the ladies. Alright, not bad, Coco. Alright, now ladies, do you say hi to Coco? Come on, ladies.
Hi.
Alright, right now let's go. They say hi to you, but Coco never really hi, alright? Okay, now, Coco, how about for the kids here, Coco? Alright, now Coco, can you do something pretty to the kids? Can you? Come on, Coco. Yeah, great channel for kids. Okay, alright, now, Coco, I have one question for you, Coco. How are you feeling, Coco? You feel good? Or not, Coco? Good. Coco feels good today. Okay, alright, now, guys, Coco feels good today. Now, how about you guys? You guys feel good too? Alright, guys. Okay, now, Coco, if you feel good, you want to be happy, right, Coco? Okay, now, Coco, can you show them your happy expression, Coco? Alright, your happy expression from your heart, alright? Come on, Coco, from your heart. Yes, you're laughing. Alright, guys, now give me hands here, go ahead. Okay, alright, guys, now this was our first performance meeting. Mr. Green, our yellow soccer player, forgot to display this outfit. Alright, now, guys, Mr. Green, want to see something what it is? Are you ready to the next one? W-E-L-C-O-M-E, water. Good job, Mr. Say water. Okay, now guys, let me say info. Okay, let me say info about Hornbill. Alright, now for your information, Hornbill got their own unit, which is all Hornbill has their own horn. Alright, which is the function of the horn is as like an amplifier. Right? The bigger the horn, the more sound it can produce. Okay, now guys, for white crown hornbill we have two types, right? Which is flattened and curved. For white crown hornbill we have a flattened horn. Okay, now guys, not many people in the world know that actually hornbill is the omnivore, right? They eat meat and also fruit. Now guys, what we have here is the mind, right? Now you start to see. Oh, once again is the story. Once again. Alright? Slowly. Once again is the story. Alright. Okay, Mr. Snowy, can you go to this outfit first? Alright, slowly, boy. Okay. Right. Not once again. Okay, once again. Come on, Mr. Snowy, you can do it. Alright. Okay, Mr. Snowy, bring it here. Okay. This time. Once again, alright, the last time. Good job, Mr. Snowy, one more time. Okay. So guys, actually in the world we got like 54 species of hornbill. It's a very lot of hornbill here. Okay, now Mr. Snowy, are you done? Okay, don't play with it. Good, okay now. Guys, give me a hand to Mr. Snowy on white crown hornbill. Thank you, Mr. Snowy, thank you, Mr. Snowy. Thank you, alright. Okay, now guys, let's go hornbill. Go. Alright, I need 2 kids. Come on, kids. Ready, kids? You and two. Alright, let's go.
Go.
Now, and you, little boy. Okay. Alright, little boy, hold on. Little boy, you go there. Alright, go to the center. Okay. Now, Twilight. Okay, ready, Twilight? Now, on the count 1, 2, and 3. All three. Alright, now what are you ready? Now on count 1, 2, and 3. Go on, Hornbill! Go here, guys. Now you behind to fire and thank you to the mobile with Mr. Sawyer. Ready to there? Yes, okay. Alright, now guys, before we start the race, I need to chill in the water over here. Alright now, guys, I'm going to be going guys into 2 teams. From, I think let's start with the middle. Alright, let's start with there. Okay, I'm going to my right side. Okay, you guys, we're going to cheer for 4-5. Alright, now guys, finish out 4-5, 3 times as long as you can. Ready guys? Now on count 1, 2, 3.
4-5.
One more time. Come on, guys, what's that? Alright, Mr. Blair, come here. Alright, come on, you want my soul spirit, alright? Shout 4-5, 3 times as loud as you can. Ready now, on count 1, 2, 3. 4-5. Yeah, this is much better than good. Okay. Alright, now, let's go back. Thank you. Alright, now from here, until to my left side. You guys will show 4 wrinkles. Now, wrinkle, 3 times as long as you can. Ready now, on count 1, 2, 3. Oh, well done. Thank you so much. Very good. Okay. Alright, you got very good. Alright, let's start the race, okay? Alright, 4-5. Wrinkle. Are you guys ready? Okay, good. Okay, children, get ready, alright? Okay, now. On your mark. Yes, sir. Okay, now guys, Mr. Ali, we're going to hide the dot into one of the bowl and Jody, we're going to fire it, okay? Jody, are you ready, Jody? Hold on, Jody. Yes? Alright, hold on, Jody. Jody, are you good or not? Okay.
Now it has to identify.
Hold on, Jody. Now, Jody, where's the Buddha guy, Jody? Okay, guys, I think let's just one more time. Let's do harder this time and this time. This time, I need to start more faster, okay? Please do more faster. Jody, this time more faster, right? Focus, Jody. Are you good, Jody? Focus, right? Jody is very good. Okay, Jody, I say more than Jody. Wow, this time more faster. Okay, good. Alright, Jody, you are so focused, right? Focus, Jody. Now, Jody, where is the Buddha guy, Jody? Alright, good, Jody. But guys, I think I will one more time to clarify it, okay? Jody, let's do one more time. Right, Jody, I need one more time. Okay, now guys, I think what is your name? Gali. Gali. Okay, Miss Gali, you are come from? Dubai. Dubai. Okay, Miss Gali, are you ready? Absolutely. Alright, let's go follow me. Okay, now, Miss Gali, I want to show you three empty movements, alright? First, is it empty for you? Good, empty. Second, is it empty? Empty also. Okay, good. And third, empty. Alright. Okay, now, Miss Gali, can you step for me on the wooden leg? Any sound of melody? Any sound? eagle breeding in India, Sri Lanka, and Southeast of Asia. Alright, now just that guys. We have something special for mine, which is new color. Okay. We have an eagle, alright? Are you ready, Mike? Please catch your big three. Ready? And go.
Okay, chicken.
Yeah, it's very fun, right? Okay, guys, let's give a big hand to one of our teachable eater. Alright, listen, guys. What we're going to read today. Okay, now, guys, what we have for fighters now, we have a big lizard. This is true behavior and eagle, right? If you see the prey, we're going to catch it as fast as we can. Alright, now next, this one was one more eagle, and this time his name is Hunter. It's a brownie type. But before that, Hunter, are you ready, Hunter? Oh, there you are. Okay. Alright, now give a big hand to Hunter, our brownie guy. Alright, now guys, the little info about brownie guy. Brownie guy's scientific name is Hornbill. And brownie guy is known as a medium size in Asia Pacific. Okay, now guys, we have first wheel for Hunter, which is deep and also big, right? Now Hunter, are you ready? Your first wheel. Hunter, your first wheel. You're ready. Yes, now Hunter. Okay, now right. The little info, alright? Although Hunter, our brownie guy, is an eagle, but Hunter has very weak leg compared to the our eagle just now, alright? It's a very sharp sound but very weak leg, alright? Okay, Hunter, can you come back here? Alright. Not yet, Hunter is go there. Okay, never mind. Just sit there, Hunter. Okay, now guys, the little info. In Malaysia, we got one island, right? Which is named